Imagine a swimming pool filled with juice. Now multiply that by 1,000 every single day. This facility attempts the impossible, processing 100 million units of watermelon juice every 24 hours. To feed this beast, the supply chain never sleeps. A truck arrives every 45 seconds. It starts with the tipping point, 20 tons of fruit released in seconds. Conveyor belts would bruise the delicate flesh. Instead, they travel on a highway of water. Once inside, the chaos of the farm is replaced by the precision of the laboratory. Field dirt and debris are the enemy. The first stage is a coarse scrub. They are lifted to the observation deck for the most crucial test. Human eyes are too slow. Cameras scan 300 fruits per minute, checking for internal rot. Any imperfection, and you're out. No mercy.
A mild chlorinated mist ensures the exterior is sterile before the shell is cracked.
The processing begins with the first cut, surgical precision at industrial speed.
Even with AI, a final human glance ensures perfect ripeness.
We don't want the bitter rind juice. Robots scoop out only the sweet heart. Nothing is wasted. The rinds are sent to local farms for cattle feed. Pure red gold, thousands of kilos waiting for the crush. Heat destroys flavor, so this factory uses a cold-press titan. First, the chunks are broken down into a coarse slurry. Two tons of hydraulic pressure begins to apply force. The result is a waterfall of pure nutrients. Any escaping seeds are caught by this vibrating sieve. The juice is pumped instantly to the cooling tanks to prevent oxidation. Within seconds, the temperature is crashed to near freezing. To get a smooth texture, we spin the juice at 4,000 RPM. Microfilters catch particles smaller than a grain of sand. This haul alone holds enough juice to fill an Olympic swimming pool. Before bottling, the lab must sign off. Speed is key. The sample is rushed to the on-site laboratory. We check the bricks, the natural sugar level. It must be exactly 11.5.
Too acidic, it's sour. Too alkaline, it's flat. The balance must be perfect. And crucially, a rapid microbial scan ensures it's 100% safe to drink. Batch approved. The bottling line is authorized to start. We don't buy bottles. We make them from these small plastic tubes called preforms. An endless army of bottles moving on a cushion of air. The rotary filler. 50,000 bottles per hour. It's a blur to the naked eye. Slow it down and you see the precision, not a drop spilled.
A drop of liquid nitrogen is added. It expands, pushing out oxygen to keep the juice fresh.
Cap is torqued on instantly, locking in the freshness. The juice must stay cold. A final chill tunnel locks in the temperature. Labels won't stick to wet bottles. Air knives shear off every dropple. The label isn't glued. It's shot on as a sleeve, 10 per second. No ink used here. A laser burns the expiration date permanently. One final security check. X-rays see through the bottle to ensure absolute purity. They gather here, a sea of red, waiting for the final packaging. Chaos becomes order. The single line splits into a formation. Mechanical fingers count them out, 6 by 6. Another heat blast creates a solid, transportable pack. Was all decided to quick powder. For your convenience, a handle is applied in milliseconds.
Humans can't lift this heavy, this fast. The palletizer robot takes over.
Geometric perfection, essential for safe shipping. The floor is a choreographed ballet of forklifts.
Den. Welcome to the Cathedral of Cold. 5 stories of juice.
It doesn't stay here long. Trucks are waiting.
Every inch of space is calculated to maximize efficiency.
To peg it, smash it, bun.
Loaded, sealed, ready. The work isn't done. The lines must be sterilized for tomorrow. Millions of liters of water are recycled right here on site. Machines don't sleep, but people do. The night shift takes over. Under the stars, the 100 million goal continues. By morning, this juice will be on its way to 30 different countries. From the farm to the shelf. Retaining the color and taste of the fruit we saw entering the factory hours ago. Terabytes of data manage every drop. Safety is paramount when working with high-pressure hydraulics. Defaxel supports the production of 100 million units of juice per day inside the factory. From the wash to the cut.
Goal achieved! 100 million units today!
It's a mesmerizing mix of biology and technology.
This is modern manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed seeing how this factory works, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next industrial deep dive.